Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 25-inch IPS touchscreen special for BMW E87, 88, 81, 82, 25 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check this front panel. It will come with special harness and this joystick will come with together. Okay, it will come with this installation paper. Okay, let me show it. You can check the setting. System info, you can check RAM 4GB and ROM 64GB. It's built-in Wi-Fi. It supports 4G. This 4G LTE, this SIM card slot on back and TF card slot. Okay, it supports Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi. And let me check the byte device. You can check Android 10 system. Okay, all apps are here. It built DSP amplifier. You can check. Okay, and this C-Link from Android Auto and Apple Carplay. Okay, easy connection for Multimedia. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, all apps are here. Let me check the. This is original. You have navigation, Bluetooth, it's music, video, original car information, dashboard. You can change any color with blue. Okay. Okay, let me check the settings. You can change all language already built in, and system. It supports backup camera. It's factory 1314. DVR, Bluetooth. You can choose. It supports OEM Bluetooth selection. Amplifier, OEM amplifier. Camera. Okay, this vehicle information. Door settings. Voice. And this car display, you need to select the correct information for your car. This can UR the interface RD7. Okay, it's factory. Let me show Bluetooth. You can enable Bluetooth at first from your phone. Enable Bluetooth. Okay, click search. Okay, you can choose it and connecting. Your phone will get command. Please put the 40 1 2 3 4. Click OK. Okay, it's connected. Okay, show Bluetooth icon. Your phone will get the message. It will download the contacts listing. Contacts, you can download it. Okay, dial. Let me refuse. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. It supports OEM factory Bluetooth or aftermarket discrete unit Bluetooth. You can set it in the settings. Okay, and you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth music. Okay, this is Bluetooth. Let me show music. The header unit comes with two USB cables. Already connected back of header unit is this USB driver. Let me connect one with USB. Okay. You can choose the USB one. And so we'll show picture. This DSP amplifier. You can adjust it. Okay. This is music, video. This PIP function. Okay. This video and this car information. It will show original car information. This dashboard will decode the original information. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website, Belsee.com. Okay, let me show the how to connect Wi-Fi. It's all apps, settings, network and the internet. This is Wi-Fi. Turn on the Wi-Fi and connect. Okay, show connected. You can check to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay. Also, you can check our website, Belsee.com. Or apps, you also can open it in the settings and Android. It will open the Wi-Fi. Can check the Wi-Fi and support 4G mobile phone. Okay, this is our website, Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.